Hey there. Thanks for watching my free Loophole Profits review by Will Allen, Flair, and his group, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This free Loophole Profits review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now let's see what free Loophole Profits promises us. They do this once and get paid over and over and over again. Hey, they found a free loophole inside a tiny $8 million company that quietly makes them a passive $193 per day without software, without apps, and without spending a dime. This is going to take 15 minutes to set up, then it's autopilot, works for anyone regardless of age or education. There's no budget needed. They also tell us we'll need no software, no social media, no content creation. If we scroll down a little further, free Loophole Profits has nothing to do with article marketing or blogging. This is being sold under Flair's name, but we don't see them again, so this is just a Will Allen product. Let's take a look inside. Here on the dashboard, your first two buttons are upsells, with the second one being effective social media tricks, and they told us we weren't going to need social media. There are 6 training videos and a case study. The last is going to be your bonuses. If we go into the first video, you can tell just by the titles of the course lessons, you're going to be using Ahrefs to look up questions to answer on Quora. Then you're going to use Quora to build your loophole. The loophole in this case is your Quora answer, which will have links back to your affiliate link. And after watching videos 1 through 5, I don't have any problem with this strategy whatsoever. This is an effective strategy. If we take a look at the free checklist on our website of how to get traffic for affiliate marketing, we do mention Quora in here. And some of the techniques that they use to find out which questions to answer are techniques that we actually use in our YouTube tips strategies linked above as well. So just to be clear, there's nothing wrong with this strategy. I just think there are some problems with the training. My first problem is that they wait until lesson 6 to actually start the training from a beginner level. If we look at that, they do go over picking a niche, picking a product to promote, which they suggest ClickBank. Their reasons for ClickBank in this training are valid, but if you guys are interested, we do have a playlist created around using Digistore 24 and picking out products linked above. They also go over creating your promotion, which you find out will be a review video or a blog post. And the next section is creating a blog from scratch. So all of this so far is good information, but it's going to take you longer than 15 minutes to get a brand new blog set up. He touches briefly on all of these points, so it's not a lot of detailed training up to here. If you guys are interested in information on how to choose a niche, we do have an article on our website that I have linked below. It is our 20 niche and affiliate program examples. And if you scroll down, we also have some information on how to create a website for affiliate marketing. We have a video on that linked above as well. Or if you guys would like the training we use to put all of these pieces together, be sure to head down to our instant access link in the description below. Next, Will starts to talk about using Ahrefs to find out what trending questions are on Quora right now. If we look at Ahrefs, they do have a $7 for 7 days trial plan. But after that, you're looking at a monthly cost of $99 up to $999. This is per month. So if you haven't budgeted for that, that's something you will need to budget for. Because to use this strategy, you're going to need to use Ahrefs over and over again. We're going to talk about the frequency of how you need to post a little bit later on. Next, he does talk about creating your loopholes. This is going to be your Quora answers with your link at this point either to your product that you picked out, your blog review that you made, or an opt-in page. This is my second big problem with free Loophole Profits. He gives all of 2 seconds talking about an opt-in page where he discusses using ClickFunnels, which is $97 a month. And he says if you want to do that. Pro tip for affiliate marketing, definitely use the opt-in page. That way you can continue an email sequence if they don't buy from you this one time. Because the way he has this set up, there is no email capture to continue following up with people that were interested in what you were talking about. It's also worth noting here that you don't have to use ClickFunnels either. There are free products out there, so do your research. The case study here actually does show him using this product to make some money. So again, it's not that I have any problems with this strategy. It can work. The problems I do have with this training is that he discusses using Ahrefs to find Quora questions based solely on what is ranking right now. If we look at this article I found by Neil Patel about how to generate long-tail keywords using Quora and Google Trends, he tells us that SEO success today hinges on user optimization. That is, making your content useful, timely, unique, and relevant to a particular group of people. It's got nothing to do with trying to rank for a certain keyword or key phrases. It is about making an impact and gaining authority. Sure, you could employ black hat SEO, manipulate your content for search engine results, and get people onto your page. But once they're there, they'll still ignore your content if it's utterly worthless. So know that Quora questions are not just random questions from random people. They represent real keywords, especially long tail keywords, and have great potential. Free Loophole Profits also doesn't discuss the frequency that you should be posting on Quora. I actually found this article on Ahrefs.com, and the guy who wrote the post is basically telling you his experience using Quora and why. Be consistent is one of his tips. And while he says this is cliche advice, social media rewards consistency, and Quora is no exception. The more questions you answer, the more likely it is you'll appear in people's feeds, and the more upvotes and views you'll get. When Jason Lemkin first started, he answered 2 to 3 questions a day and 5 to 7 days a week. Another person he knows answered 1 to 3 questions a day in the first 6 months just to gain traction. So unlike the 15 minutes that they promised on the sales page, this strategy is going to take time and effort. So just having the Ahrefs $7 7-day plan is not something that is going to keep you making money over and over and over again, because you're going to constantly need to update your questions. In researching this Quora strategy, I found another really good article called Beginner's Guide to Quora from Buffer. One of the first things I noticed in all of the articles I read about this was to optimize your Quora profile. And they don't discuss that in Free Loophole Profits. They also give you some other tips like re-answering questions you've answered and linking back to your original answer, building a Quora page for your business, and discovering new headline ideas by looking at some of the responses to your answers or other responses to the Quora question that you answered. I feel like if you're actually looking for some Quora training, Free Loophole Profits isn't bad. I've told you a few of the problems I have, but I have not told you the biggest problem that I have with Free Loophole Profits. The biggest problem I have with Free Loophole Profits is their completely misleading sales page. They told us we wouldn't need software, and then they go and suggest Ahrefs, and they also suggest ClickFunnels. They told us we wouldn't need a budget, but both of those cost quite a bit. They told us we wouldn't need social media, but that's our first upsell. They told us we wouldn't need to do content creation. A Quora answer is content creation, especially the way he trains in this. They also mentioned that we wouldn't need to do any blogging or article marketing. Again, that is what this whole training is about. But the most disappointing part, especially after enjoying the training and the way Will structured it, was that he claims not to be a guru and that you won't need any more guru junk, but he partnered himself with Flair. And if we look at Free Loophole Profits on Munchai, all Flair does is produce these products and sell them over and over again. He doesn't use them. He doesn't make money with the products. He makes money selling them once a month, sometimes twice a month. I feel like Will Allen got caught up in this somehow. Let's take a look at the pricing. It says on Monday that this is going to be $17. And if we look here on their congruent sales funnel, it's also going to be $17. But as I got to researching these upsells, I realized there was a price difference. So where this one's upsell 1 is $39, then 2 is $47, and 3 is $197. If we take a look at this sales funnel I found, the front end price is actually $888. And again, that is not a bad price if you would like some Quora training. But upsell 1 is $39 here. Upsell 2 is $39 here. Upsell 3 is $47. And that's a really big difference from what we saw here. Between these two pricing structures, free Loophole Profits is going to cost you anywhere between $474.88 up to $828, depending on which pricing structure is correct. As I hope this free Loophole Profits review helped you out. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. If you're looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. Thanks for watching!